Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Kia Optima trunk latch. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Make sure you have a new, compatible trunk latch assembly ready. Working in a well-lit area is crucial for safety and clear visibility throughout the entire process. This guide will make the replacement straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, open your trunk fully and carefully remove the interior trunk liner. Use a trim removal tool to pry off the plastic clips holding it in place. Once the liner is off, you will clearly see the existing trunk latch mechanism. Locate the electrical connector attached to the latch. Gently press the release tab on the connector and pull it away to disconnect the electrical harness. This provides clear access to the mounting bolts. Now it's time to remove the old latch. Use your 10mm socket wrench to unscrew the 2 or 3 bolts securing the latch assembly to the trunk lid. Once the bolts are out, carefully remove the old trunk latch, paying close attention to any cable connections. Install the new latch in the same orientation, reattaching any cables. Hand tighten the bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, typically to about 7 foot-pounds of torque. Before you reassemble everything, it is absolutely critical to test the new trunk latch. Close the trunk and try to open it several times, both manually and with your remote. Ensure it latches securely and opens smoothly without any sticking. Once you are confident in its operation, carefully reinstall the interior trunk liner. Make sure all the plastic clips are firmly in place, providing a neat and finished look. You've successfully replaced your trunk latch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.